Hi friends, my name is Dhvanay. Welcome to Animate CC class. Now today we will learn about the flying sequence in Animate CC. Now to do this, create a new fresh document. First go to Animate CC. I've already created. To do this, go to search and you search as flying sequence, like this. So I will select it. Now you copy image in Microsoft Edge or Google Chrome and then paste it in center in Animate CC. Click Q for free transform tool. Now go to modify menu, convert or bitmap, then press bitmap. The color threshold should be 100, but minimum area should be 1 pixel. Corner threshold should normal and curve it should be normal. And click on OK like this. Then I will select the whole of the picture, move it outside the stage, then select the half frame, you delete it, even you select the bottom and you also delete the bottom side like this. Now there are 12 sequences. So I will select this and I will gather it. Use lasso tool to do that, which is shortcut key L, like this. And you group, press Ctrl G. Again you do lasso tool and again you group it like this. You group it like this. How much birds are there? You group it. All birds you group it in that. Next. Next you see this. Group it how much times as how much there are birds. There is one, but it is more sequence. Select this, press Ctrl G, lasso tool. Again, you select this, press on Ctrl G. You group it. I will group it together like this. Now, how much birds are there in this? One, two, one, two, three, four, five, six. Then select the whole bird, move it to stage. There are one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, maybe eight birds. So you press eight times F6. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and eight. Now see the frame in the timeline. I did it in eight frames like this. So now see this. Next, you go to first frame, delete all the birds except first bird. Again go to second frame, delete all the birds except the second bird, like this. Then go to third frame, delete first, delete second, and delete rest of that except third word, like this. Then fourth, you delete one, two, three, and all of that. Here one, two, three, four, and all birds should be deleted like this. Here also one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Here one, two, three, four, five, six. Leave the seven bird and you delete all the birds. In eight frame, one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. Only eight bird should be remain. Now see this. Now see the bird. Now when I will play this, you will really hear that. Okay? Control plus enter or you press on enter key. Now this play a vital role. When I will test this, now see how it plays. You press F5 two times for to each frame, or one time also it will be okay. Like this. Now see this, how it moves? It moves at great time. See the bird where I am showing. Thank you. That's all for this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.